If your X or Twitter account has been suspended, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the basic steps to start fixing the issue and submit an appeal the right way. This is one of the fastest things you can try if you believe your account was suspended by mistake or if you want to request a review. Before we begin, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. It really helps the channel and it lets you know when I post more helpful guides. First, attempt to log in to your suspended account using the X app or the X website. Go ahead and enter your username, email, or phone number, then type your password as usual. If your account is suspended, X may show you a message explaining that access is restricted. Read that message carefully because it often gives you a clue about what action you need to take next. Even if you can't fully access the account, the login process is still important because it confirms you're working from the correct account that needs review. Once you've tried logging in, keep that page open if possible. Now open a separate browser tab. This is where you'll file your appeal. In the new tab, go to the X Help Center appeal page. You can search for the X appeal form in the Help Center or go directly to the suspension appeal page if you already have the link. The goal here is to submit a formal request asking X to review the suspension. When the appeal page opens, take your time and fill everything in accurately. Use the same email address tied to your X account if the form asks for contact details. In the explanation area, write a clear and polite message that says you believe the suspension may have been a mistake, or explain that you'd like a review of the decision. Keep your message simple, honest, and respectful. Avoid angry language and do not spam the form with multiple submissions because that can slow things down or hurt your chances of getting a response. Before you submit, double-check every detail. Make sure your username is correct, your email is accessible, and your explanation is easy to understand. Then submit the appeal and wait for a response from X support. After that, watch your inbox for any emails from X, including your spam or promotions folder, because their reply may land there. If they ask for more information, answer as quickly and clearly as possible. That can help move your case forward. If this video helped you understand how to fix a suspended X account, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And if you want more help with social media account issues, I'll see you in the next video.